what is good? And man, oh my god. The reason why I'm laughing is because I wasn't expecting this product to work on my hair that quick, that fast. I just bought this like a day or two ago, and when I mean this product is amazing. So I pin curled my hair, okay, and I am into definitely moisturizing hair before you pin curl it, just so it won't be so dry. I applied the oil that I naturally put on my hair before I pin curl it, and I did spray some of this as well on the ends and everything else too. And when I was in this pin curl state, I applied this product on my hair. You know, when you pin curl, it's kind of in the circular frame with your hair, and I sprayed this product on it, and I unraveled it the next morning, and it was so shiny, it was silky. My hair just looked alive, it looked vibrant, my color looked vibrant, even though my color is faded. It looked amazing. Like, it looked so healthy and just beautiful, you know, and got a compliment on it too. So I was like, okay, yeah, this is some good stuff right here. So I'm definitely going to purchase some more of this. I haven't seen it before, so this must be new, honestly, or I haven't paid attention to this or whatever. I'm really glad I came across it, and my mom's hair looked fantastic as well too. Like, it looks good. So further into this is the Maui Moisture, Nourish and Moisture plus coconut milk. Okay, and you know, it's known that coconut is good for the hair, so I was like, okay, yeah, this is good. And it's a weightless oil mist, so it's not too oily. Like, I did spray my hair a good amount, so, but it still got body, it still got life to it. It shakes, you know, when the wind blows your hair, it blows along with it, so it's not stiff or sticky or any of that. So you see, it's with, you know, creamy coconut milk, like guava oil, wholesome mango butter, and it's silicone free, which is good. And then on the side right here, it tells you like what it does not have in it, like gluten, silicones, mineral. That's amazing. And then I was like, okay, made with 100% aloe extract, which is another good thing, another good win. And it's saying yes to all the good things, like yes, vegan, yes, it's eco-friendly, just pure everything. So I was like, oh yeah, this is some good stuff right here. Yes, they did not lie on this. Moisturized Strands, no lie about that at all. Yes, and I had this definitely. My ends wasn't, it didn't feel dry or split before I used this, but I applied it on my ends anyway to prevent it, you know, and my ends are silky, soft, smooth, like, it's amazing. So, but you can spray this on damp hair, which I just figured out like when I used it, and I did that, finished by misting all over. And they do have other shampoos and conditioners that I've seen, and it smelled delicious. It smelled amazing. Like, this smells really good too. And then it says, as good as I look and smell, please do not. They ain't never lied. Do smell good. Oh my god. Yep. Okay, and you can see I didn't use a good amount of it. They used a good amount. I didn't see any other sprays besides this, but that's good enough though. And what I was gonna say, oh, I definitely will spray some on my hand so you can see, like, I guess how it looks, or the sheen or whatever. But You know, you easily just take the top off. And I will describe what it smells like too. Maybe I can smell off this top. I smell coconut, fruits. It smells sweet, but it smells citrusy, sweet and citrusy. Yeah, I am smelling that, but I'm smelling a little bit more than these two. I'm definitely, but overall, I think I'm smelling more of the coconut, but I don't know. But let me go ahead and spray some on my hands so you can see the consistency and how shiny, you know, it looks. And how you can imagine how shiny it looks on my hair. I don't know if, yeah. So you can see how shiny it looks on my hand and stuff. So I applied some on my hand, and this is what it looks like. So you can see the nice shine that you can definitely have on your hair. And this was just from 2 sprays. So, you know, if you really have really fine hair and worry that it will weigh your hair down, maybe 1. But shoot, I applied about 3. Everybody's there, and like I said before, my hair still looks alive. Like, it doesn't look stiff. And like I said before, when the wind blows into it, it moves along. It moves. Go all in your face. I keep strutting. Oh my god, but yeah. And this smells so good. Oh my goodness. And I mean, I definitely need to put this, what I got on my hand, on my hair, definitely. But try this. Let me twist this on the bottle so you can see like what it looks like inside. Yeah, I hope you can see it. But you see how it, I don't know, kind of looks like a watery texture to it, but I mean, it's not watered down at all. You can tell that it's not at all. So if you're looking for like a good sheen, a good mist, some good spray for your hair to give it some moisture, to give it some life, to just be beautiful, feel beautiful, you know, whatever the case is, I definitely recommend getting this Maui moisture. I really don't have, I ain't got no complaints using this at all. Like, I love it. And I just do.